Where the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense Pentagon is located? Answer B. Virginia. Which island was previously known as? Answer B. Taiwan. International Women's Day is celebrated on? Answer C. 8 March. Legion of Honor is the highest civilian order of which country? Answer D. French. Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian order of which country? Answer B. America. All Nobel Prizes except the Peace Prize is given at the city? Answer B. Stockholm. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in the city? Answer C. Oslo. How many countries are bordered with the Black Sea? Answer C. 6. Sofia is the capital city of which country? Answer D. Bulgaria. First American president to win the Nobel Peace Prize? Answer A. Theodore Roosevelt. The Kalahari Desert is located in which continent? Answer B. Africa. Which one is the largest country by population in African continent? Answer B. Nigeria. Which country has the highest density of population in the world? Answer C. Monaco. Which one is the first constitutional republic in Asia? Answer D. Taiwan. The island Bali, famous as tourist spot, is a part of which country? Answer A. Indonesia. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? Answer C. Indonesia. Which one is the highest mountain in Japan? Answer D. Mount Fuji. Which two countries share the same longest land border between the two? Answer B. America and Canada. Which one is the capital city of Canada? Answer C. Ottawa. Which one is the 50th state of United States of America? Answer D. Hawaii. Mediterranean Sea is connected to which ocean? Answer A. Atlantic. How many countries have a coastline on the Mediterranean Sea? Answer D. 22. Which European country is surrounded by most number of neighboring countries? Answer A. Germany. Which one is the first country to allow women to vote? Answer B. New Zealand. Transylvania is a part of which country? Answer B. Romania. Which one is the first country to make broadband a legal right for every citizen? Answer B. Finland. Which country calls itself Nippon? Answer B. Japan. Which country was known as Rhodesia? Answer D. Zimbabwe. Total number of countries in the group of Commonwealth of Nations? Answer D. 53. Which international organization was created as a result of North Atlantic Treaty 1949? Answer B. NATO. Oslo is the capital of answer D. Norway. European Union was established as a result of answer A. Treaty of Paris 1951. The Tatar tribe inhabitants in which part of the world? Answer A. Siberia. The popular social dance salsa is originated from? Answer D. America. Ikebana is a Japanese art of? Answer B. Flower arrangement. Which one is the 193rd country to join United Nations? Answer B. South Sudan. Ruhr region is located in? Answer D. Germany. The longest river in Australia is? Answer C. Murray. In which of the following countries you will find the Ural Mountains? Answer B. Russia. In which continent the island country Madagascar is located? Answer B. Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest mountain in Africa, is located in? Answer A. Tanzania. Which one is the largest country by area in the African continent? Answer C. Algeria. Which country was previously known as the Malagasy Republics? Answer D. Madagascar. Which one is the largest city of African continent? Answer B. Cairo. Which one is the judicial capital of South Africa? Answer C. Bloemfontein. Havana is the capital of? Answer A. Cuba. Which one is the official language of Canada along with English? Answer C. French. Which one is the largest city of Canada? Answer A. Toronto. Lisbon is the capital of? Answer D. Portugal.